Ever pondered how important forests are to our planet and its inhabitants? These verdant expanses are far more than just a bunch of trees. They are the world's air conditioning system, the lungs of the planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen back into the atmosphere. This not only helps in climate regulation but also plays a key role in maintaining the world's rich biodiversity, providing a home to millions of species. Forests are also a lifeline for humanity, providing us with food, shelter, and medicine. They are also a source of economic sustenance for many communities around the globe. But here's the unsettling truth. We are losing these precious ecosystems at an alarming rate due to deforestation. This has sparked a pressing need for proactive measures to counteract this environmental crisis. However, it's not all doom and gloom. Some nations are championing forest growth, and we're going to count them down. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have Australia. Since the turn of the century, Australia has been diligently working towards increasing its forest cover. This land down under has had to face significant challenges, with wildfires often ravaging the landscape. However, their resilience is undeniable. Post-wildfire, the country has been able to reinstate forest growth through dedicated reforestation efforts. This is no small feat, considering the vastness of the Australian continent and the diversity of its flora. Australia's efforts have not only resulted in a significant increase in forest cover but also contributed substantially to combating climate change. Forests act as carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere, and Australia's growing forests are doing just that. Moreover, these efforts are crucial in preserving biodiversity. Australia is home to unique wildlife species that depend on these forests for survival. Despite its challenges, Australia is making strides in the right direction. At number 4, we find a surprising entrant, Russia. This vast nation, spanning across 11 time zones, is home to the world's largest forest area, the expansive taiga. Not just a sight to behold, these forests are vital for the planet's health, acting as a significant carbon sink. Over the past 2 decades, Russia has shown a commendable commitment to forest preservation. This dedication has resulted in a substantial increase in the country's forest cover. The forest growth in Russia is not just a national achievement, it's a global victory. It positively impacts the global climate, helping to balance the carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere. These majestic Russian forests, blanketing a vast expanse of the country, are more than just wood and leaves. They are a testament to the strength of nature when given a chance to thrive. They are a beacon of hope in our fight against climate change. Russia's vast forests play a crucial role in our planet's health. Coming in at number 3, we have China, a nation that's been in the spotlight for its industrial growth and, unfortunately, for being the world's largest polluter. However, there's another narrative unfolding, one that's green and brimming with life. China has been undertaking massive tree planting initiatives over the past 2 decades. Yes, you heard that right. Tree planting on a scale so enormous it's hard to fathom. This isn't a mere beautification project, it's a commitment to environmental sustainability. It's a pledge to the planet and a promise to future generations. These initiatives have resulted in remarkable forest growth, transforming barren landscapes into lush green forests. It's a story of transformation, of a nation choosing to balance its industrial might with ecological responsibility. Despite the challenges, China has shown us that it's possible to turn the tide, to choose a path that's sustainable, and to create a future that's greener. China's forest growth is a testament to the power of concerted conservation efforts. Finally, our top 2 countries leading the charge in forest growth are India and Canada. In India, community-led afforestation efforts have taken root, literally and figuratively. Villagers band together to plant saplings, creating lush green spaces where once there was barren land. This grassroots approach has led to a significant increase in India's forest cover over the last 2 decades. Across the globe in Canada, sustainable forestry practices are the order of the day. The Canadian government takes a proactive role in managing its vast forest resources, implementing measures to ensure that trees harvested are replaced, promoting a cycle of growth. This commitment to sustainability has resulted in a considerable expansion of Canada's forests. Both India and Canada have made substantial contributions to global climate change mitigation through their forestry initiatives. Their success stories underscore the power of trees in restoring ecological balance and tackling climate change. India and Canada remind us that every tree counts in the fight against climate change.